What's up, y'all? My name is Bill, and this is how I do it. Today I'm coming back at you with another episode of, I guess I'm gonna call this Tiny Engine Tuesday. But anyway, we working on the Echo. What is it? srm225. Yep, srm225. It's the Echo. Customer brought this in today. Says it starts, but when he presses the trigger, it bogs down. So there could be a number of different things, but it does let me know that we do have at least some fuel getting there. We have spark and maybe or maybe not air, but we'll check it and see. But let's start it up and see what he's talking about. All right, turn the trigger on here. Let's give it some fuel. And we're gonna choke it. Cold start choke. All right, fire right up. All right, start off. Start it. Start too bad. Wow, there's a lot of smoke coming out of that exhaust. And that's all he's getting. It starts up fine though. Just bogging down. Okay. All right, man, let's start off, man. My dad told me something the other day. I was trying to diagnose something, and he just told me, start with the easiest thing first. Why not? It's not gonna cost you nothing or barely no time to check it out. So just start with the easiest thing. So the first thing I'm gonna check is the spark arrestor. Make sure that our unit is breathing right. Okay, let's start off by taking off this top cover and let's check out this spark arrestor. It's held on by two T27 bolts. T25, I'm sorry. So let me remove this spark, this coil. So let's do it. On this side, sure did. Okay, set that to the side. Oh man, look at that excess oil right here by the muffler. Look at all of that. It's dripping out. It's so much excess. That causes from a bad, too rich of oil, fuel, gas mixture. And I always say too much oil is better than not enough oil, because if you have not enough oil, it'll ruin that cylinder wall and ruin the ring and all of that. So, but too much oil can have bad effects too. I believe that the spark arrestor is stopped up and the unit can't breathe. But I'm about to take it off and I'm about to remove it and just see. All right, let's go. Still T27s. There's 3 of them. It's just a little hot. I'm surprised this thing was even turning on at all. That was the next level. It wasn't even gonna start anymore. But it was still starting and everything. You see the spark arrestor right here? It doesn't look. Yeah, it's gummed up. You can see it right where the exhaust port is, and you can see there's a patch. You can't even see through that patch. So more than likely this is going to be our issue. So let's see. I'm just going to take it out for now and just put it back on without it. Something here. One more. Okay. Just put our cover back on real quick. Put that on. Like I said, this is not permanent. Let's crank her up. Turn our switch on. It already sounds better. It sounds better already. Let's see. Sometimes it's just that simple. Sometimes it's just that simple. See, we got this echo back up and running, man. Customer brought it in, was bogging down. Come to find out, that was a stopped up spark arrestor. That in itself is a simple fix, but the root cause of the issue is too much oil in the fuel mix. I'm gonna tell this customer that he's putting too much oil in the mix. He has to make a better ratio. I think this echo takes a 40-to-1 or a 50-to-1 ratio of fuel to oil mixture. You know, if you want to be on the safe side, man, let's do a 45. Man, most units handle that just fine. But I'm gonna tell the customer about it. I'm gonna clean this unit up for him and let him know that, hey, you're using way too much oil in the mix. But at the same time, it's better too much oil than not enough. This is how I do it. Checking out.